Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Post yesterday's Independence Day speech by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it looks like the orders for 83 LCA Tejas Mark 1A and light combat helicopter would be happening very soon. Yes, I'm talking about the speech about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the vision for India to become a self-reliant nation. Via this particular vision, India would be showing top priority in indigenous production of defense weapons like pistols, gun, tanks, fighters, and helicopters. We have discussed a lot about the 83 LCA Tejas Mark 1A deal, and just to do a quick recap, in December 2017, the Indian Air Force had issued a single vendor tender to HAL for procuring 83 LCA Mark 1A. Seeing the price too high, there were many tough negotiations by the Defense Ministry Finance Wing and the Indian Air Force with HAL, which has brought down the deal to around 40,000 crores. In one of my previous videos, I already updated that as per the defense sources, it looks like the order for the most awaited 83 LCA Tejas Mark 1A fighters might be placed by December 2020 tentatively. And post placing the order, the next step would be to get an approval by the Cabinet Committee on Security. And seeing today's speech by Narendra Modi looks like the CCS approval would be processed very soon. HAL has decided to manufacture 8 Tejas Mark 1 trainers, which is still pending from the older order of 40 Tejas Mark 1, and then continue with the manufacturing of 10 Tejas Mark 1A trainers for the second order. The orders which I mentioned right now would be taken care by November 2021 tentatively, and post that HAL would be starting to work on the development of 73 LCA Tejas Mark 1A aircrafts. Also, based on the speech given by Narendra Modi, it looks like the deal of 65 LCH for Indian Air Force and 97 to 114 of them for Indian Army would also be confirmed. If you see the order history, Indian Air Force and Indian Army Air Corps was authorized to place an order for 15 LCH, which is referred to as the limited series production. Out of these 15 limited series productions, 10 of them would be for Indian Army Air Corps and 5 of them would be for Indian Air Force. The order for these 15 limited series production is expected to be placed by end of this year, which is 2020. And as per the defense sources, it looks like HAL is planning to deliver these 15 choppers by end of 2022 tentatively, and post that they would be working on the 97 to 114 LCH orders for Army Air Corps and 65 LCH order for Indian Air Force. If you want to understand more about the features and enhancements about both Tejas Mark 1A and LCH, you can refer to the links provided in the details section of this particular video. So that was a quick update based on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech about Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is giving a clue that the orders for 2 major indigenous deals would be happening very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.